China will permanently remain a green water navy in the Indo-Pacific. Stuck with the Malacca dilemma, China is cornered from all the sides in the South China Sea, and no one, including China's friend in the region, is coming up to help Beijing become a blue water navy capable of exerting influence beyond its Chinese mainland. Beijing has now suffered a major blow from China-friendly regime of Thailand, as Thailand is looking to construct a land passageway bypassing the Strait of Malacca, effectively scrapping the Kra Canal project that China wanted to build in order to create a sea route alternative to the Strait of Malacca. To further aggravate China's pain, the Thai government has also buckled under public pressure, delaying the purchase of the two Chinese submarines worth $724 million. Till now, China was pinning its hope on the Kra Canal project, a proposal to construct a 120 mega canal cutting through the Kra Isthmus in Thailand, which would have helped it to find an alternative sea route connecting the South China Sea to the Indian Ocean. This was in line with Beijing's long-term ambition to bypass the Strait of Malacca, a narrow choke point between the Malacca Peninsula and Indonesia island of Sumatra that divides the Indian and Pacific Ocean. The Strait of Malacca is a major bottleneck in China's global ambition, as 85% of China's oil and supplies passes through the Malacca Strait, apart from its trade route to the Middle East and Europe. But India's geographical position is such that it can easily blockade the western side of the Strait of Malacca from the Andaman Islands. However, Thailand doesn't want the Kra Canal any longer. The reason is simple: the Kra Canal project was not economically or politically feasible. The Kra Canal would not have turned out to be another Suez Canal or Panama Canal that have made the country rich. Successive canal project depends on their ability to cut short distances. Suez Canal and Panama Canal, for example, bypass entire continent and thus charge hefty fees from large ships, $250,000 and $125 and $175,000 respectively. However, in the case of the Kra Canal was built, then the additional fuel cost for alternate routes through the Strait of Malacca, Sunda Strait or Lombok Strait would have been limited to $40,000 to $120,000. This was not enough to justify the construction cost of the canal project. The China-sponsored canal was therefore more geostrategic than geo-economic for Thailand. Once completed, the Kra Canal would have become another piece of Xi Jinping debt-trap diplomacy, and Beijing would have taken control of the strategically located canal at a political level. Also, the project would have made no real sense for Thailand. It would have physically separated Thailand-Malay Peninsula, which would in turn have encouraged the ongoing insurgency in the southern Thai provinces. China would not help Thailand in such a situation. Rather, it would aid and help the insurgents to take full control of the prospective canal project. Therefore, it does not come as a matter of surprise that Thailand had decided to build two deep sea ports on both sides of its southern coast and connect them through rail and road. China has lost all its friends in the Indo-Pacific region. Governments are usually anti-China, and even if the governments are pro-China, the people of the countries are such that the governments are not allowed to help China. Thailand itself, for example, is a part of a Milk-Tea Alliance, an online democratic solidarity movement run by internet users from Thailand, Taiwan and Hong Kong. It does not therefore come as a surprise that people of Thailand harbor a strong anti-China sentiment. This is why China is getting marginalized in the Southeast Asian nation. Due to the growing public pressure, China could also find itself route out from the land pathway project, which Thailand is considering as an alternative to Kra Canal project. Thailand has therefore given two very severe blows to China, and now Beijing is back to handling the Malacca dilemma all by itself. This is Siachen X-File update on Kra Canal. What do you think? Feel free to comment and share your thoughts, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you.